the 2021 Jeep Renegade. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.